Alright, now this is my first time welding with a stick welder, really. So, you can see it's, you know, a couple of rust spots that burn through. The welds are not, they're not very pretty. You know, some of them I got to go over. This was very rusty here, but I got it so it's held down. So I'll go through, grind it, see what's stuck and what didn't. Just like I said, it's my first time. So, let's do this. Where is it? There's that. That's where the panel ends. Let's see, it got penetration. So this has got to all be cleaned. And this joint's going to be seam sealed. I don't have this back part tucked yet. And it came out pretty good, fairly tight. And once it's all done, and then these pieces get replaced, it should be good. Because what he had holding these original panels are these. So, I just gotta get a little more practice in, and I gotta get a little fan in here because it makes me sick with the damn fumes. I'm in a freaking trunk. But yeah, it's getting there. Needs a little more, like I said, but it's getting there. You look in the wheel well. You see, that's where the floor comes in. So then when the wheel well's repaired, it hooks into that. Cheaper. A lot of work. At least it's all one piece.